Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You requested for a get ready with me video, so I'm bringing it to you today. I'm so excited. If you want to see how I got this look in literally less than 30 minutes, it took me from probably start to finish, plus the hair, maybe total of 40 minutes. Super quick, easy, and I think you're gonna enjoy this video. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back again to my channel. You requested for a get ready with me video. I posted a poll on my Instagram and you guys voted to see me get ready. So here we are. We're gonna go from looking like this to this in hopefully a matter of 30 minutes or less. This is literally me getting ready on like a typical Saturday or Sunday. Nothing too crazy or elaborate. Got a new green juice that I've been wanting to try. Haven't opened it and I wanted to test it on camera. This is by Evolution. It is the cold pressed organic sweet and savory greens. There's celery, kale, apple, lime, what else? Lemon, parsley. And I've been wanting to test this out. Let's hope it's not gross. Wow. Good, delicious, highly recommend it. I just finished a workout, so I'm excited to get ready for the day. I'm gonna clip back my hair. I just got out of the shower, and I already went ahead and moisturized my face. For moisturizer, I used the Pili Youthful Glow Facial Cream. And it smells really good, so I applied that all over my face. We're gonna start with foundation. My holy grail, Estee Lauder Double Wear. I wear the shade 3N2 Wheat. I got so tired of using my makeup brushes and sponges for applying foundation because you just have to wash them so frequently, and my hands are clean, and it's just so much easier to use my hands, especially when I'm getting ready for work. It's so much faster. My makeup brush was getting really like just old and janky, and it was just getting really bad. But I do still highly recommend the brush that I have, which is the Tarte foundation brush. Mine is just old. I think I just need to replace it, honestly, but I get tired of having to constantly wash it, so I just use my hands. I love my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade medium. Today, however, I'm using a drugstore favorite. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25. This stuff is awesome if you want like a pigmented full coverage concealer that does not crease. I love this stuff, and I like to use this also for concealing acne too, because it really covers up acne, like redness or dark spots, like pigmentation on the skin. And I also use this as kind of like a eyeshadow primer too, which is nice. Thank you guys so much for your support on my last acne video, my microneedling experience video. You guys really enjoyed that, so thank you so much for just like leaving all your comments and questions. I've been getting a lot of really good feedback, and you guys seem to be like finding that video helpful, so I'm really glad that you like that. If you guys want to check out that video, leave it in the description box. Basically just talked about how I got rid of my acne scars, and it is a specific procedure called the Infinity laser treatment with PRP, and I talk about everything with that treatment. I only went in once, but if you want to know more about kind of like, you know, how the procedure is, what it's like, what to expect, my results before and after, check it out. Super happy with how everything, you know, everything was with that treatment. Like I really enjoyed the results. I think that it's just so worth it if you're battling with like big pores and acne scars and you feel kind of like self-conscious with your bare skin. Like I would look into it. So yeah, I'll leave that link down below. So I just used a damp beauty blender to blend out my concealer, and if you want a little bit more coverage, sometimes I go in with my Shape Tape, and this is just extra, but I like this stuff. This does not budge at all. This is the Kat Von D Brightening Powder in the shade Golden. This stuff is amazing, and the reason why I like it so much is not only does it brighten, but I feel like in flash photos, especially like when you're taking a lot of pictures at nighttime, it completely makes that under eye area look so smooth, like as if you don't have any wrinkles. So I just take my beauty blender, dip it in. I get a good chunk of it too because I want to bake, and I just apply that under my eye. Then I just leave that alone as it is, and I move on to my brows. Lately, I've been just kind of doing my brows really natural looking. I don't fill them in super crazy. Honestly, I don't understand the trend right now with like, I get how people want to grow out their brows and stuff, and I was trying to do that for a while, and they fill them in super thick and it just doesn't look natural anymore. So I don't know, I'm all about sticking with a more kind of natural brow and not filling it in too crazy. Does anyone else get like tired of doing their makeup every day for work? I wish I could just wear a mask and go to work instead of 20 steps to applying makeup. I've been using the Anastasia Prism palette, and I use the shade Pyramid and Sphinx, both of those two, with my fingertips, and I apply that directly on my lid. These shadows are super pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, which I really like. They're very creamy and blendable, and I really like using my fingers for applying my makeup these days. It's just really easy, really convenient. And with these glittery shadows, they apply nicely too, using your fingertips. I'll take a little bit of Parallel, which is a dark brown, and Saturn, which is like a burnt sienna. And I'll take a little bit of those. Literally, I just dabbed it in using my brush because a little bit goes a long way. And I'll just apply some in the outer corner. And start blending inward. This is the Sigma Blending E25. Dip it into that dark brown shade again and just apply it to the outer corner of the eye, kind of bringing it inward. And I just pat, pat, pat. Again, same thing on the other side. I just literally just apply it right in the outer eye area, and then take my blending brush again and then soften the edges. Okay, go back in with the Sigma E25, take a little bit of the dark brown and the sienna, same thing, and go right under the eye. And I love to bring down shadows really, really low to cover my under eye wrinkles. Go back in with Saturn, take a little bit and apply that right underneath the brown. It's gonna look crazy, but when you apply mascara brings it all together. I'm super excited about this highlighter, and I just recently purchased it. It is the perfect holographic highlighter that I've been searching for, and it is by Urban Decay. It is called the Disco Queen Holographic Highlight Powder, and I'm going to use it today, even though it probably won't go with this eye look, but I don't care. So I'm going to highlight with this. And it is just such a pretty, like, purple iridescent shade, and I love it. And I'm going to use it to highlight my cheeks, but first I have to highlight under my brow, and I'm going to go in with Lucid, and it is just a really pretty champagne gold eyeshadow. Powder, Benefit Hello Flawless in Honey. Love this powder. If you guys have any other powders that you recommend that are like powder foundations for full coverage matte looks, leave them down below. So far, loving this one though. Love, love, love. It matches me so nicely. Okay, we're done there. Now we're going to do some highlighting. Highlights. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm going to take some of my damp Beauty Blender and just go in with that to really intensify it. I am using the NYC Smooth Skin Bronzing Face Powder. I like this stuff because it's buildable. Some days I don't like to go too crazy with bronzer. Other days I like to layer it on, so this is a good one for me. And just bronze up my cheekbones. I like to go up on the temple area, forehead. This gives you that kind of nice sun-kissed look. For lipstick, I'm going to use these two right here. It's the perfect combination if you're looking for like a nice nude for olive to darker skin tones. Obsessed with this combination. This is MAC lipstick in Taupe. The Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in number 64, Unreal. Just gives it like this glossy, kind of lighter finish. Tones it down a little bit. It's like a nice kind of nude brown. That took what? That took like 30 minutes? Pretty good, right? Pretty good. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'll be right back. I'm back. I just finished my hair and this is the final result. I am obsessed with this look, clearly, because I wore this exact same look in my microneedling experience video, minus the highlight, which I don't know if you guys can see, but in natural light, this holographic highlight is on point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs it up. That way it lets me know you want to see more of these Get Ready With Me videos in the future. And don't forget to subscribe to be notified. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.